Well, March certainly did roar in like a lion, with high winds kicking up quite the welcome. And we're looking forward to it leaving like a lamb. Hello and welcome to the March edition of the Monthly Market Update, where I'll share exciting entertainment offerings coming to Las Vegas, new developments in Summerlin, and the return of the Las Vegas Real Estate Report. But first, the stats. Reflective of a shortened month, 10% less homes came to market, though that number is 11.5% ahead of February 2024, and new sales also enjoyed an almost 10% increase, as did closed sales, up over 11% from January. The median sales price remained firm at an all-time high, with the median price per square foot at $259, and the average days on the market shortened by 1 day to 46. The Sphere continues to redefine entertainment in Las Vegas, and now it's bringing country music legend Kenny Chesney for a 15-show residency starting in May. Chesney, known for electrifying stadium crowds, will be the first country music artist to headline the Sphere, marking a major milestone for the venue. While Las Vegas hosted its first Super Bowl last year, it's now preparing to host the Super Bowl of wrestling, WrestleMania. Demand for tickets has already shattered expectations, proving once again that Las Vegas is the ultimate sports and entertainment destination. And you get to decide whether wrestling is sports or entertainment. Either way, when tourism thrives, so does our housing market, as visitors turn into full-time residents, investors, and home buyers. In a surprising twist, Sony Pictures and Warner Bros. Discovery have announced a new joint venture to make Summerlin Studios a reality. This could be a game changer for Las Vegas, creating up to 18,000 jobs and positioning our city as a rising force in the film industry. Be reminded that this expansion hinges on Nevada legislators approving significant film tax increases. And speaking of Summerlin, several new luxury offerings have been announced. First, and in the Little Red Rock area, Elle Gensland, Director of Sales at Hughes Holdings, said that Astra at La Madre Peaks represents the most elite custom homesite neighborhood to date in Summerlin. Additionally, nearly 400 new homes are planned for Summerlin West by Taylor Morrison, and Toll Brothers is building a luxury condo complex targeting snowbirds near Red Rock Resort. While these development announcements are reassuring, sadly, Las Vegas remains significantly undersupplied in available residential lots, a challenge that directly impacts home prices and affordability. Governor Lombardo is continuing to call on federal lawmakers to pressure the Bureau of Land Management to release more land for housing development. As demand for housing remains strong, expanding available land is critical to keeping our market balanced and accessible. While the pandemic sparked an exodus to suburbia, new trends show a return to city living. According to the National Association of Realtors, the percentage of people moving to cities has risen 16%, noting a vibrant city culture, being close to work, and easy access to, well, everything, as reasons this number is the highest it's been in a decade. And Las Vegas is reflective of this trend, as a recent article in the New York Times highlights our expanding urban theater movement, which is producing high-quality, community-driven performances at venues like the Majestic Repertory Theater, Vegas Theater Company, and a Public Fit Theater Company. These off-Broadway equivalents are playing a key role in enriching the already vibrant arts culture of our city. And speaking of a vibrant culture, our team recently gathered in Las Vegas' undisputed cultural epicenter, Symphony Park, to celebrate the outstanding achievements of our sales professionals at our annual award ceremony. This special event took place at the Smith Center's Myron's Cabaret. Symphony Park is also home to our highly anticipated luxury high-rise development, Cello Tower. With over $115 million in pre-sales and groundbreaking just around the corner, it's an exciting time for our community. Unveiled at this celebration was our highly anticipated Las Vegas Real Estate Report. This comprehensive one-year analysis of the residential real estate market offers insights into key performance indicators, emerging trends, and economic fundamentals that shape our city's future growth and development. To receive your free copy of this insightful report, please contact the Coldwell Banker sales professional responsible for you receiving this video. Thank you, as always, for selecting us as your real estate company of choice. Enjoy our fabulous spring weather, and we'll see you next month. Bye-bye.